James Zanewicz from Connect here at the BLPN during JPM week, and it is my pleasure to welcome Susie Wang of NRT to the BLPN. Welcome.
Hello, James. Thanks very much for having me here.
I'm excited. We go way back 5 minutes, so I get to dive in and learn more about you right now. We haven't even had our cocktail conversation yet.
Oh,
and so I get to learn about
good.
you in our BLPN questions. So the BLPN stands for Building Legendary Professional Networks. We're all about helping each other in that process. So the more people know about each other, the better they can do that. So the first question we like to ask is just a bit about your background. Tell us about yourself and how you got to this point in your career.
Okay, that might take a little while. So I'm trained in chemistry. Came to the US from Shanghai 35 years ago, and went to Purdue University for my PhD in biochemistry. Had the luck of working under 𝗕𝗟𝗡𝗽, and about 30 years ago, we started the small biotech company called Endocyte, and focusing on targeted tumor imaging and treatment using radioisotopes. At that time, there was not many companies focusing on that area until 2018, when Novartis acquired Endocyte for its PSMA 617, labeled with lutetium for the metastatic CRPC. That really triggered a wave of radiopharmaceutical development and investment and acquisition. I currently work for a biotech company located in San Diego, focusing on targeted peptides as well as antibodies with new linkers and chelators for critical isotopes to be delivered into various cancers. The company is called New Radio Medicine Technology, and I'm the Chief Business Officer for the company.
That's fantastic, and that leads straight into my next question, which is, what are you working on right now that excites you? Can you tell us a bit more about your current company?
Sure. So when I was studying at Purdue, the isotopes are always considered a great technology for the killing of tumor cells. Mm-hmm. And then using imaging technology, it can also be used as tracing agents to diagnose some early tumors, as well as neurological diseases like cancer, Alzheimer's. However, the manufacturing of such isotopes has always been limited until the recent 10 years. So I'm very excited about almost like the resurrection of this old technology, taking advantage of bioconjugation, such as applied in ADC and other areas, and really seeing the new day in the medicine area.
All right, and so as we talked about before briefly, the bullpen is all about helping each other, but when you come on camera, when you agree to expose yourself to the world, you get to make an ask. So how can the BLPN members help you right now? Are you doing a raise? Are you looking for a partner? Like, how can they help you move forward with your goals?
Right, so the area I'm working, the NRT company focuses on is a very complicated modality. It requires knowledge in either small molecule or peptide or antibody area, and then conjugating it with novel linkers and also chelators. So it requires a combination of multiple disciplinaries, whether it's chemistry, biology, physiology, nuclear medicine, and physics. Mm-hmm. And sometimes engineering to build those manufacturing facilities to be able to make those pharmaceuticals. So nobody, not a single soul on this world, on this planet, can do it alone. And this modality requires even more help from different disciplines to work together, to pull our minds together. And I'm sure this platform will provide a great opportunity for all the talents to come together.
So anything like that, people in those fields, you encourage them to reach out to you, just have conversations, I guess.
Yes.
Yeah? Great. And what's the best way to get in touch with you?
I live in Seattle, and you can reach me either by my WhatsApp account or by my email. which is susan.wang@nrtmedtech.com.
Perfect. Susie, thanks so much for taking time to be with us. I've really enjoyed the conversation. Looking forward to continuing it over drink soon because we're getting close to that time. And
good.
having a great JPM week together.
It's my pleasure. Thank you very much.